part 1 of this short video series, we looked at how the noise specialist is often involved too late in a project and how this limits the influence they can have on the impact and cost of meeting the project noise criteria. In this video, we'll summarise the contributions the noise specialist can make at each stage in the project and why they're important. The details and requirements of each project will of course vary, but whether it's a greenfield or brownfield project, and whether it's large or small, the same principles can usually be applied. During the pre-FEED or concept and feasibility stage, the noise specialist can help identify potential issues for the health and safety, environmental, engineering or architectural disciplines. For example, will plant have to be located within buildings to meet environmental noise limits? Or can the plant layout be utilised to make use of acoustic screening, for instance from buildings? The FEED or front-end engineering design stage, sometimes also known as basic engineering, is critical in that it ends in a finished design, allowing technical requirements and investment estimates to be established. This means that it's essential that noise control is considered at this stage because of the impact it can have on cost, layout and weight. Typical tasks for the noise specialist therefore include the following: confirmation of noise and vibration criteria, noise modelling and noise allocation for all significant noise sources, preparation of equipment sound power and sound pressure level limits, calculation of noise exposures for personnel, architectural acoustic design, consideration of PAGA and speech intelligibility requirements, recommendations for pipe and valve insulation on P&IDs, and preparation of a FEED noise and vibration study report. Following on from the FEED, the detailed engineering stage is typically undertaken by an EPC contractor, who may be different to the FEED stage contractor, but who will take forward all aspects of the FEED design into detailed design, procurement and construction. Typical activities for the noise specialist would therefore include the following: confirmation of noise and vibration criteria, noise modelling and equipment noise allocation, preparation and issue of equipment noise specifications or data sheets and noise test requirements for inclusion with bid documentation, participation in equipment bid reviews to ensure noise data is acceptable, confirmation of pipe and valve insulation requirements through P&IDs, confirmation of architectural sound insulation and absorption requirements, assessment of HVAC acoustic design, assessment of PAGA design, update of noise exposure predictions, attendance at factory acceptance noise tests, and preparation and issue of a noise study report. During the construction and commissioning stages, the noise specialist may noise test equipment where appropriate, for instance the HVAC, power generation or PAGA systems, and then update the noise report accordingly. And finally, during the operational phase, the noise specialist will typically be involved with noise mapping of machinery and work areas, evaluation of personnel noise exposures, and the measurement of environmental noise levels, all to demonstrate compliance with the project noise criteria. In the next video, we'll look at how it's vital that the environmental, occupational and work area noise limits are all taken into consideration together in the acoustic design of a plant.